Good day, friends. My name is Mohammed. I am the founder of Revenue. Revenue is a marketplace for high quality products sourced directly from manufacturers and supplied to customers in their pristine, pure form. The world is filled with too many products. In fact, a cursory search on Amazon will tell us the amount of choices that are available in front of us. In spite of all these choices, when the customer makes a purchase, they typically end up dissatisfied, disillusioned, and unhappy. And this unhappiness stems not from a bad quality product only, but also stems from the lost confidence and the disappointment associated with the breach of trust. Irrespective of all the best practices companies like Amazon, Flipkart, Snapdeal and other companies put forward to convince customers, to influence them to make buying decisions, most real customers, value-seeking customers end up disappointed because of the poor service quality, because of the poor product quality, because of the poor experience, because of so many things that happen between the product order and the product delivery. While we cannot solve all these problems, we are taking up the problem of sourcing high quality products. So, our goal is to identify manufacture direct, very high quality products and present it for our customers' consumption. In this process, we get on the journey of removing customer dissatisfaction and helping them with the right products directly from the manufacturers at the right price. And that is why Revenue is based on important keywords: customer outcomes, product effectiveness, product novelty, value for money, efficiency of sourcing, and customer recommendation. So these key terminologies drive our business every day. And for now, we are launching you our top selling products, which is Rumax stainless steel water bottles, which are of high quality, directly sourced from manufacturers, tested for quality and then presented to you. We offer you the best terms, best value for money in a way that you will trust us for today and for the long time. Thank you so much.